Um, I was really happy that you guys had this block screening because I was very busy. I wasn't able to attend the premiere night of Just One Summer, and then after that, I never had a chance to watch it. It was perfect that I got to watch it this afternoon because kasama si Julian Elmo, and I see your reactions. First of all, hindi ko alam kung nagre-react kayo kay Beto at Kenyel o kay Judith si Elmo.
Both!
Yeah, you know,
Hilo din po kami.
I'm sure some of you are my Twitter friends na alas 3 ng umaga sa tape na sinasagot pa ako. Talagang hindi ba natutulog sa mga tao? You know, and it's so nice that I get a instant response on how you feel about the Julie Elmo tandem and you know what we do in Party Pilipinas and so on and so forth. Tsaka lalo na sa I'll Be There. Again, thank you so much for making it, you know, 1 million hit and #1 on iTunes. Isa pa lang yan, I mean, the album is really strong and there's so much more. Tsaka kayo, no, you dictate basically some of the actions that I decide on for Julie Elmo. You guys dictated like yung nag-survey ako kung ano yung gusto nyong kanta, di ba? Yung Enough. Talagang sinisigawan ako, Enough! So, you know, so that one, and then that's what she sang during the sa Party Pinga na album launch. There's so much in store, and it's really nice that malakas yung fan base ng Julian Elmo. You know, they're as good as the fan base that, you know, any artist that would have a fan base like they have, you know, basically will keep and sustain the life of the love team. So, kayo yan. Pangalawa, you know, you're an intelligent fan base. I can see it. I can see it in your tweets. I can see, you know. So that's one thing that they have going for them. You know, there's a lot of things in store for Julian Elmo. You know, I'm not only a director of Party Pilipinas, but I'm also part of the Talent Development and Management Department of GMA. And I can guarantee you that Julian Elmo is one of the top priorities of the family. So, whatever decisions that happen, there is a reason for those. Minsan, miski nagdi-disagree ako, you know, the network sees a better opportunity for Julian Elmo, so that's what we have to follow. Kaya minsan nung gusto niya na akong patay na hindi ko malabas yung musical version ko, hindi sa akin yun. That's why I keep saying, I'm waiting for clearance, I'm waiting for clearance. Inaaway ko na yung office sa GMA na, you know, one of these days, papatuhin na lang ako ng mga kasi ayaw pang i-release. But we were waiting for the pictures and the final banner of Just One Summer because we wanted to include that. Basically, that's it. Para mas marami kayong makita. Okay? Some good news. It's official as of this afternoon, no, Miss Rose, it's official that the next music video of Julian Elmo will be shooting it in the United States of America. Okay? So, inano ko na yan. So, itutuloy na namin yan. It's, what song? I don't know. I'll leave it to Julie to select that song. Yeah. Patay. Ito na naman. No, but it's really up to Julie what she would want to decide on. Okay? Second good news, but it is not official yet. Pray that it comes to, you know, it comes to light, is that I already have an idea for the next film. Yeah! You know, but it's still in the concept stage. Sana pumayag. Sana pumayag ang yung concert, okay, it is not easy to mount a concert. If it doesn't happen this year, I guarantee you it's going to happen next year. Yes! One of the first things that I have, when I planned everything, you know, for the Julie Elmo, for the TDMD in GMA, the first thing that I really wanted to do was a concert. Okay, nauna isang hard rock. So we're just, you know, I'm really pushing Elmo to come up with more original songs. You know, I'll put him on the spot right now. You know, I've been telling him to make more original songs para when the concert comes, he has a lot of more original music. So, sorry Elmo for putting you on the spot, but he knows that I've been asking him to do that. So yun lang yun, because it will come. Just enjoy enjoy the Party Pilipinas and enjoy the album and enjoy the, you know, Together Forever and then other stuff that are gonna come out on in the future. Enjoy lang kayo, but I'll promise you guys that palaging inaalagaan sila ng GMA Network.
Yay!
Okay, and again, thank you very much for your love and support to Elmo and to Julie. And to, alam mo, hindi mother hen yan si Rose. Kasi mother hen ko yan. Mother hen yan ni Mark at ni Jen. So, apo na niya si Juliet si Emma. Ang mga hen dapat yan. Pero sige na, abuela, okay. Sige na nga, mother hen.
Nagpupunas pa ng tissue.
Pinawi yan.
Iyak ata.
Granny Goose. Okay, again, maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayo.